Hello everybody, it's me, Buddy Valastro, and
Carlo Valastro.
And today we're gonna show you how to make a
pizza cake!
It's a pizza cake! Yay! Who doesn't love that? What if it tastes like vanilla cake inside? How you like that pizza cake?
I want it!
So the first thing we're gonna do is we got our cake here, right? We're gonna
carve into the middle.
Yep. You see all these cake crumbs, Carlo?
Mm-hmm.
We can use them as grated cheese or Parmesan cheese on top. Or you could eat them, one or the other.
I'm really excited to see what this will look like.
Oh, wait till you see, son. It's gonna look like a hand to toast a pizza. So next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna dirty ice it, okay? So we got some buttercream.
Oh, can I try dirty?
Finger up, this finger up. Just the tip of the ice, just the tip of the knife.
Oh,
all right, so you go
yeah,
back.
I know why it's called dirty icing. It's actually very dirty.
And it gets dirty, right? The crumbs get dirty. All right.
I can't wait to take a slice of this pizza cake and then play some food.
Oh yeah, me too. I'm gonna put this in the refrigerator. So you got the sauce?
It's not even tomato sauce.
It's not, but it's our fake out, right? Because this is a fake out food. So now that we got our pizza dough rolled out.
Rolling,
Roly, poly. I want it to look like, did you hand toss the pizza, right? So it could look a little bit,
like a pizza.
Indented. So I'm gonna cut our edge. All right. How about we put some sauce on this pizza?
Okay. Strawberry jam.
Right in the middle.
Strawberry jam. I'm gonna sauce this up like a regular pizza pie.
Hey, you make it the pizza.
Pizza pie. Let's put some cheese on.
All right. I have a microplane here, and I have modeling chocolate, which is like the exact color of raw mozzarella. We're just gonna kind of grate it to make like shredded cheese. So let's put that on top. Here, sprinkle that on there.
It's like we're actually making it.
Hey, it's pepperoni time. I got some pepperoni. So what I did for pepperoni is I marbled a little brown and red fondant, and then I kind of rolled it into a log, and then I put it into a little saran wrap here. So it's just like a nice little pepperoni roll.
Pepperoni.
You like the pepperoni? Look what I'm doing. I'm cutting little pepperoni slices here, right?
And then you just flatten them.
You want to flatten them a little bit?
Yeah.
Just want to make some olives. You can help me with that.
I'm eating a pepperoni.
How's the pepperoni?
Ow.
What we're gonna do now is I'm gonna give you this here, and you're gonna make the olives. So you're gonna cut this circle out first, right? And then you're gonna take this, and then you're gonna cut another little circle out of the center of it.
Also, what are you gonna make?
I'm gonna make the green peppers.
Oh, so I'll make the olives.
Okay, so basically you have two cutters here, right? You have a bigger one and a smaller one, and then Carlo's cutting the center out. Okay, and then I got a great little trick for the peppers here. You're gonna love this. I'm gonna roll out my fondant. Then I'm going to cut my two edges off, and I'm just gonna kind of crease my peppers in and in. Then I'm gonna flip it over, and then I'm just gonna cut little pepper strips. Let them dry, so they look like little pepper strips. I'm gonna show you how to melt the cheese. So I'm gonna take my steamer here. Before I put the toppings on, I wanna get this cheese melted. So this clothes steamer is something you'll see me use all the time on Cake Boss. And it's great for melting things. It's great to make something sticky and tacky and wet. One of my favorite tools.
I can't wait for this cheese to melt.
Yep, it's kind of like waiting for the pizza to come out of the oven, right? Now let's throw some toppings on, Carlo. You want to put the olives? Let me put some peppers.
Pepperoni, pepperoni.
And you just make it pretty. You have some fun with it. I'm gonna put a little bit of fresh strawberries. They're gonna look like crushed tomatoes.
This really looks like a pizza.
Hey, it's a pizza cake. I'm gonna steam this just a little bit. And that's another great thing the steamer does. It takes off the cornstarch residue. And then we're gonna call in the secret weapon, Carlo.
What is it?
You're gonna see in a minute.
Oh my my God!
Oh, look at this, Carlo.
Oh, no! That's a torch.
I know, we're gonna torch the outside of the pizza crust. So right now,
You're torching it. How cool is that?
oh yeah. Look at that pizza, baby.
Wait, there's something in your ear. Oh, got it.
Why don't you go get Uncle Frankie here so we could trick him?
Oh, yeah!
Go get him. So I'm just gonna continue to torch this up. Now I'm gonna finish it with a little bit of grated cheese. Ah. Boom!
Dad, I got Uncle Frankie.
Oh, lunchtime. All right, come on, let's eat.
Psych, it's cake.
Come on, I thought that was real pizza. You played a trick on me.
It's cake, so what?
Like, share, and subscribe, guys. Thank you so much. We'll see you next time. Don't forget to leave comments and tell me another fake out food cake you want me to make. High five.
What about a hot dog?
We can do a hot dog.
Ever.
See you next time.